Some people, I would have complained either way. See how that works? See how it don't matter. You can never please people. You see how that works? I'm back and I'm hitting them hard. Tits don't sag. I don't need no push-up bra, bitch. Teriyaki madness. Let me pull my chain out, my baby, bro. I gotta see my chain. Yeah, Teriyaki madness with the glads. But the bag is located in Flint Township. Flint Township, Michigan, bitch. I got the tofu noodle bowl. Tofu noodle bowl. Yeah, they gave me some little teriyaki sauces. Even though they could have just put it on my damn tofu. But maybe they be like, some people don't like their tofu soggy. I'm some people, I would have complained either way. See how that works? See how it don't matter. You can never please people. You see how that works? We can go up to the stuff. All right, y'all. Tofu. I don't really eat tofu like that no more. But when I first became plant-based, I stayed eating tofu. Okay. All right, bitch. Okay. And I'm sitting here as I'm eating this and banging this shit. I'm sitting here and I'm thinking to myself. I'm like, self. And I was like, you knew that shit was gonna be good. And you done ate at that damn place 1,001 times. But I forgot to record it. So here I am. On my soul, they got one. I got the junior bowl. My bae over here, she eating in silence. She said her shit good.
This motherfucker hot.
Okay. Here we go. She talking. She talking. She don't feel good. But we gonna eat. They did they big one with this. I done had it a couple times where it was nasty though. But it's good this time. They said we feel like she about to do a review. We gonna make it good. And they did that. The broccoli. Don't piss me off. Little cabbage, little zucchini. Hit. Yeah.
Love that.
I give them a solid 7.5. Go try them out.